This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kaye Barfield Traficante. Great CBS 2-1 with spacious interior laundry/utility room and carport on close to 1/3 acre lot with a fully fenced backyard in one of the most sought after areas of Palm City. No HOA or deed restrictions. Super spacious backyard with large shed for storage. Home was completely renovated from top to bottom in 2008, with metal roof, all new windows, fully renovated kitchen and bath. September 2024 all new interior paint. Don't miss out on this gem of a home.NOTE. Property extends beyond back fence as shown on property outlined photos and survey. For more information, review the details below or contact Kaye Barfield Traficante at 954-693-0100.